Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you make thumbnail in Premiere Pro. So guys, for the thumbnail you need to put some text, some logo. So I'm going to do it quickly. Just hold on guys. And after that, here you can see I have put it this logo and this text like this. And after that, all you need to do is just go here. As you can see, this camera you can export frame. Just click on this, and if you don't find this, click on this plus icon and the camera icon is here. Just click on this and just make any kind of name you want. And after that, here you can see the format. You can make any kind of format you want from here. I'm doing it PNG, and after that click on OK. And now just go to your desktop and see for this file. As you can see, this file is here. If you just click on it, you will see this. You can use it anywhere. It is only 1.8 MB. So guys, that's how you can make thumbnail in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.